Imagine this for a moment. Your blood flow stops for just a few seconds. No oxygen delivery, no nutrient transport, no life. The human body is not simply a collection of organs. It is a dynamic living system sustained by continuous blood circulation. Every minute, your heart pumps approximately 5 liters of blood throughout your body, supplying oxygen, glucose, hormones, and vital signals to trillions of cells.
In this video, we will take a deep scientific journey into systemic circulation, the part of the cardiovascular system delivering oxygenated blood to tissues and organs.
This video is intended for educational purposes only. It does not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Whether you are a medical or pharmacy student, a healthcare professional, or simply curious about how the human body functions, this video will provide clear explanations. By the end of this video, you will understand how the heart acts as a powerful pump, how blood vessels form an intricate network, and why systemic circulation is vital for survival. To fully understand systemic circulation, we must first recognize that the human cardiovascular system is divided into 2 main circuits: pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Systemic circulation is the pathway through which oxygenated blood travels from the heart to the entire body and then returns as deoxygenated blood. This process begins in the left ventricle of the heart, where blood rich in oxygen is forcefully pumped into the aorta. In contrast, pulmonary circulation involves only the movement of blood between the heart and lungs, where gas exchange occurs. A key physiological difference between these 2 circuits is pressure. Systemic circulation operates under much higher pressure than pulmonary circulation. Any disruption in this system can rapidly compromise organ function and overall homeostasis. The process begins in the left ventricle, which contracts to eject oxygenated blood into the aorta. The aorta functions as the main distribution highway, directing blood into progressively smaller arteries throughout the body.
These arteries branch into arterioles, which regulate blood flow to specific tissues by constricting or dilating.
Eventually, blood reaches the capillaries, the smallest and most critical blood vessels in the system. Capillaries have extremely thin walls, only 1 cell thick, allowing efficient exchange of substances. Oxygen and nutrients diffuse from the blood into surrounding cells, while carbon dioxide and metabolic waste products diffuse back into the bloodstream. Once this exchange is complete, blood enters venules, which merge into larger veins. Unlike arteries, veins operate under lower pressure and rely on valves and skeletal muscle contraction to assist blood return.
Finally, deoxygenated blood returns to the heart via 2 major vessels.
Both vessels deliver blood to the right atrium, completing the systemic circuit and preparing the blood for pulmonary circulation. This entire cycle repeats continuously, sustaining life with remarkable precision and efficiency. The brain consumes approximately 20% of the body's total oxygen supply. Brief interruptions in cerebral blood flow can result in irreversible neuronal damage. Maintaining adequate systemic blood pressure is critical for neurological function. The kidneys receive a high volume of systemic blood flow. Their role is to filter blood and regulate fluid balance. Impaired systemic circulation can lead to renal dysfunction and toxin accumulation. The liver processes nutrients, detoxifies substances, and plays a central role in metabolism. Muscles, skin, and tissues rely on regulated blood flow based on activity, temperature, and metabolic demand. When systemic circulation fails, it can lead to life-threatening conditions affecting multiple organ systems. Systemic circulation is far more than a transport system. It is the foundation of human life. From the moment blood leaves the left ventricle to the moment it returns to the right atrium, countless physiological processes occur simultaneously. Oxygen delivery, nutrient transport, waste removal, hormone distribution, and temperature regulation all depend on this continuous flow. Understanding systemic circulation is essential for anyone seeking to comprehend how diseases develop. This content is provided solely for educational and informational purposes and should not replace professional medical care. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments. Tell us in the comments, what topic would you like the next video to cover? Thank you for watching and for supporting Heal&Pill.